Field stripping of the Smith Wesson M&P Shield. Lock the slide back. Inside the magazine well, you may be able to see a little yellow pin in there. That yellow pin needs to be brought down, as I'll demonstrate with using the end of a pencil. If you notice, that pin is now down. As of this point, we have a takedown lever. This takedown lever, it's best to go with thumb down. And as of that point, you want to hold nice and tight onto that slide so it doesn't lunge forward. I'm pulling back and walking it forward. Weapon is now in a non-functioning state. Next, you have the guide rod. My thumb pushes forward and lifts up. And finally, the removal of the barrel. Reassembly, barrel, guide rod, push forward. You always want to bring the guide rod up to your eyes, making sure that it's level, meaning not to the right or to the left. Looks level to me. In this case, we're going to line it up a third of the way back, and it should go on relatively smoothly. Never force, never jam. I'm locking the slide back once again. Takedown lever in its original position up. And as of this point, back to that little pin inside the magazine well. By inserting the magazine into the weapon, it will put that pin back to its original position. This weapon has been field stripped, reassembled. You're going to want to work that action a few times. Feels normal, sounds normal. Excellent weapon.